Millie. Let's go play. Oh man, it's bad out here. Right there, Millie. What you doing? She's just being Millie right now. Millie? No. I would like to do a snow angel or a snowman. Ah! Steep! Ah! My foot! Oh, Millie. What's wrong? Look at all our little paw prints. Hold on, let me zoom in. They're so cute. Oh, ew, Millie. Ew, now I can't be right there. Ew, you're gross. She's going outside. She's going outside. Look at all the pretty trees. I mean, look at them. Millie, you ready to go back in? Yeah? Oh, God.